recipient of this year's Webby for Lifetime Achievement, Steve Wilhite.
Alright, so this is the Webby Awards back in 2013. This is Steve Wilhite, who invented the GIF. We're about to find out how he says you're supposed to pronounce the graphics interchange format here.
Instead of speaking his 5 words tonight, Steve is using his own invention to accept his award.
Okay, so let's pause this for a second. Alright, so I don't have a problem with this, okay? He created the GIF, so it's totally within his rights to say you pronounce it this way. However, I would bet that the reason it's called a GIF in his mind is because he just liked the way that sounded better. It doesn't really make logical sense, since that first word is graphic. It's a hard G. So pronouncing it GIF would absolutely make sense. But because he invented it and he says it's a GIF, it's a GIF. Now, if you say GIF, people are going to know what you're talking about. I don't think that's a big issue there. But if you want to be accurate, yes, it is GIF. And now that you've watched this video, you can happily correct people if you want to be that person. Anyway, now you know. I'll see you next time.